Hello. Hello.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Orange. My name is Orange.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from India. I am from India.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 15 years old. I am 15 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Bangalore. I live in Bangalore.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am a lawyer. I am a lawyer.
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is dosa. My favorite food is dosa.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit.
Where is the principal room? Where is the principal room?
It's over there. It's over there.
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 1:30. It is 1:30.
How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
It's sunny. It's sunny.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing shuttle. Yes, I enjoy playing shuttle.
Have you been to America? Have you been to America?
No, I haven't been there yet. No, I haven't been there yet.